Hello everyone! Do you know what Google Translate doesn't have? Let me show you. یه چاقو مرا بر کول نبی یه تیز چاقو بر. Did you see? Google Translate cannot translate gilaki into English. But don't worry. From now on, I'm here. Google Assistant. Let me load. Because of the internet speed. Bring me a knife. Yes. Not a blunt knife. Bring me a sharp knife. How was it? Okay. Google is the same. Do you have any other suggestions? Great. Okay, now mash the pumpkin. The main ingredients are here. This is wheat flour. And this one is rice flour. Rose water, some milk, eggs, and baking powder. And here I have the mashed pumpkin. Let me add some flour. Then mix.